Here's a quick video on how to make a buffing wheel for cleaning headlights. Basically, all I did is I took my orbital sander, which has a Velcro-like pad underneath it, and I just took a regular microfiber cloth because they're Velcro adherent and attached it to that. And then I put some 3M rubbing compound on, this is for some reason in Spanish, but this is 3M rubbing compound. I put it on the microfiber cloth and then tipped it upside down, turned it on, and I'm cleaning this headlight, which used to be really foggy and is now just kind of foggy, and hopefully we'll have it all cleaned up here pretty soon. So if you don't have to go buy a buffing wheel or anything like that, this is a great way to solve the problem. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. If you happen to need any Velcro hook or loop side, go to ebay.com and type in Shepherd Sales and look up hook and loop tape. There's some really good deals there. But aside from that, I think this has turned out to be a pretty good solution for me not wanting to go to Harbor Freight and buy a buffing wheel to attach to my drill. So if you have any questions, let me know.